Hello watercolor friends. Today we are going to paint without sketching before. Use your favorite colors and mix them with a lot of water. No, this doesn't look savable, but maybe fun to give it a try. I will start painting some leaves using yellow and medium red. A stencil helps me to position the leaf in the right spot. With a synthetic watercolor brush, I make gentle scrubbing motions. Then I blot the loose colors with tissue paper. Painting with grayish light blue, yellow with lots of water, and then mixing both colors together for medium green. Back to lifting background colors, this time with a paper napkin, hoping to achieve a more even look. Let's paint a few more leaves with yellow ochre and yellow, just yellow. We will continue with lifting paint and adding green to the background. I'm going to experiment with turmeric seasoning and coarse salt for texture. Let it dry completely. More salt and let it dry again. With a watercolor pencil, I will define the outlines of the leaf. A little water as I go along. Let's finish our watercolor with spring green and red. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Take care and ciao for now.